Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView replay trading. To begin, open any chart on TradingView. Look for the replay button, which often looks like a rewind icon, usually found on the top toolbar. Clicking this button activates the replay mode, allowing you to step back in time on your chart and review historical data. Once you've clicked the replay button, a vertical red line will appear on your chart. Drag this line to your desired starting point in the past. Then, a control panel will pop up, offering options like play, pause, and speed adjustments. You can choose speeds from 1/10 of a second to several seconds per bar. While in replay mode, you can interact with the chart as if it were live. Place simulated trades, draw trend lines, and apply indicators to test your strategies. The replay panel also allows you to jump forward or backward by a specific number of bars, giving you full control over your practice session. Replay mode is an invaluable tool for traders. It allows you to test strategies against historical data without risking capital, helping you refine your approach. Remember to take notes on your simulated trades and analyze your decisions. This practice builds confidence and sharpens your analytical skills for real market conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.